And this is the other fabric we have.
I'm showing this to you.
And then got some red right here. We're gonna make a blanket.
The blanket.
Yeah.
One?
Yep. Let me see. We have the blankets here. Right on the inside. And here's Yuki with his brand new blanket. Do you like it? Do you like it, Yuki? It seems to like it. It's nice and heavy. Are you warm and comfy? I think he likes it. Look at him. He looks so cute. So it's Wednesday and I am packing for my weekend trip to Spokane Valley, Washington State. My friends and I are going to go to Spokane for Eunice's birthday weekend. We're going to go visit her sister, and I just got my weekend bag out of the closet, and I'm going to start packing things because if I don't do it now, I'm not going to do it at all because the rest of my week is packed full of tasks and meetings and things like that. So I have some jeans, I have some heavy sweaters, and I have a turtleneck. I'm pretty sure it's going to be super cold. I think the weather is like in the 30s there. They said it was sunny today, but who knows what could happen over there. I've never been to Washington State before, so this is my first time going, and I'm really excited. I have been to Oregon before, but I've never been to Washington State. So I'm going to get packing now because it just needs to be done and ready for when I'm ready to just go out the door and get to the airport. Because Friday, I'm working right up until the time I'm leaving. So it's going to be a pretty tight squeeze getting to the airport, but I'm fairly confident that I can manage it. I just want to have everything set and ready to go. So it's easiest use of time, or the best use of time that I have. So I'm just packing a few things, and I'm excited for my trip this weekend. Be sure to subscribe and follow so you can get a video from Spokane and see what we do there. I'm pretty sure we're going to go to a spa or something. We're going to go on some boat tour, I think. It's just going to be a lot of fun. A lot of things I've never done before, so it's gonna be fun. I'm excited to go. I need a vacation. I mean, I don't need a vacation. I just got back from Asia like a month or so ago, but I like traveling, so I'm always ready for the next trip.